What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash the subscribe button. Today, this is going to be one of the last videos of this car on the channel because it is going to be moving to Florida. I will be driving it down, so I get to take the grand finale, the grand voyage down. And in this video is going to be the last video of us prepping this car for the road trip. And in the next video of this car, it will be our ride down to Florida. So I'll make sure to film that to keep you guys in the loop on how that goes, how this car performs. So in this video here, we're going to fix the last engine light that came on, which was for the bypass valve. I have it right here. Bosch makes it. It's for the turbo system. And these things can go bad. Very easy to replace. They take all of 2 minutes because it lives right here. So all you need to do is 1 clip, 2 clips, and this vacuum hose, just like this. Just pull this off gently here. And that should pull right out. So I'm gonna go ahead, do that, reset the engine light, drive it around for the next couple days, make sure it doesn't pop back on, and then detail her up in this video, and she'll be off and running. And that's that. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, boys, that is back on there, nice and secured. Make sure our hood latch is good, which it is. Everything's in place. Let's go turn off. Alright, guys, so now we have that installed, we can turn off the engine light. I'm just going to use the quick car diagnostic tool here. There's our P110, which is that valve. Go to erase it. Erase is done. And there she is, all set, no more lights. Front light failure is no big deal. That's from having those LED lights in there. Let's go take this thing on a quick ride. Alright, guys, so earlier in this video, we took care of some of the engine lights that were lingering and some of the other little issues with the hood, and now we're here. I'm gonna be spending some time in this car. I mean, this is all like ladies' makeup stains, and then we got dirt inside the leather crevices. So I mean, I'm sure this car is gonna get filthy once it's down in Florida, but if I'm gonna be spending 20 hours in this car for the next couple of days, because I'm gonna be taking my time going down, seeing some friends, clients, etc. So I'm gonna clean it up, make it nice for me at least. So let's go ahead and take care of that, and should be good to go here. Maybe do a quick ceramic coating on the hood and some parts of the top, or maybe the whole car, we'll see. So let's hop into it. Alright, boys, quick walk around tour. seats are nice and clean. All of the dirt is out of all of the stitching crevices. Dash is nice and wiped down. Doors are good. Back seat, same thing. Wasn't so bad back here, but got all the dirt and dust out. So a little bit more comfortable for me to drive 20 hours in. So next up, we'll do the outside. We'll wrap up this video. You guys are gonna be watching this video while I am driving, so I'll be giving you guys an update in the next episode, obviously. Alright guys, so Super Clean reached out to the channel here. They shot me an email and they sent me some products. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the for now I'm gonna use the wheel cleaner, and they gave me a hat and some shirts, which is kind of cool. So let's just walk around the car, guys, show you the ceramic coating, how nice it looks. Car looks nice and glossy. Thing looks brand spanking new. It's pretty awesome to see how this car is. The paint job on the car from the factory is really nice, and of course last year we did a Mako after the front end accident on this, and it, you know, they did a nice job on it. Really, they really truly did. It doesn't even, you wouldn't even know that it's a Mako paint job. So pretty awesome. So let's go ahead, we'll use this all-wheel cleaner, and we'll do the rims here and see what this does, what this looks like. Here we go. It's like a foam. It's kind of interesting. All right, let's do the rims here. All right, guys, that is a wrap on this guy. We got the inside nice and clean, outside decent ceramic coating, and the Super Clean there is a nice commercial grade cleaner there. I saw it foam up some of the grime on the rubber there. That was nice on the tire to clean up all of the brake dust and debris, so that seemed like it worked well. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be driving this thing down to Florida for its final delivery. And hopefully it goes smooth. I think it will. Car looks good, runs good, and of course we've done all that maintenance the last month or so on it to prepare it for this journey, so hopefully it pays off well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video.